Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to actually open a remote window in your Visual Studio Code text editor. So first, you will need to start up your Visual Studio Code text editor, and then in the bottom right-hand corner, there's this blue icon that if we hover over it, it will say Open a Remote Window. If you click on that, it's then going to give you a number of different options like connect to WSL, connect to WSL using distro, or other alternatives like a dev container or remote repository, or even a SSH connection. So there you have it. This is how you can open a remote window in your Visual Studio Code text editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.